Today we are in Kakinada. We're gonna discover their weekly market. You will not believe the time now. Now it's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. this market is open, and the life here in India 7 a.m. it's like this. Everyone they wake up so early. Everyone they brought their stuff. They are selling. Let's go. They are super active in the morning. They came for shopping just now 7 a.m. Didn't expect.
Not only that, the thing is they came here 3 o'clock in the morning. So I asked
3
the guy,
o'clock?
he said 3 o'clock in the morning and he will stay until 9:30.
Wow.
What's your country?
Tunisia.
Huh?
Arabic.
Arabic.
Thank you. How are you doing?
आप pilgrim.
No Telugu. English.
Pilgrim.
Not Telegram, YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. उधर. Your country में.
Yeah,
Tunisia.
international.
Okay. Bye bye. We're gonna try the Kakinada breakfast. Hello. Hi. Guys, look at this. This is a temple in the middle of the market, and people they are going. Look at their clothes. It's different here. They're wearing white, the white color. Usually, I see many temples in India colorful, but no, this one is only white. Hi. Hello. Hello. This is my favorite ever fruit. I love that fruit. That's the best fruit I ever. Look at this. Hi. Oh, that's the most delicious fruit. If you never tried it, you must try it in India. If you come, it's really so delicious, and I think it's my best ever fruit. Like you can jump inside here and you'll find many things. Dishes, machines, knives even. Huh? Wow. Guys. Wow, strong knife, big one. Strong. Thank you.
Thank you, Paji.
Bagunda. Bye bye. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Atar. Jasmine.
Irvaya? No, nice.
So guys, they're selling jasmine. How much it is? How much small one?
20. Small one, 20.
Okay. Okay, give me the small one. Guys, this is 20 rupees. Smells so good. It's jasmine. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye. How are you? He's selling all this. From where he brought this? This is not second hand, because in this market you can find as well, like not new. I don't know what's this. Hello. Movies?
Oh, okay, okay. Nice.
What's this? Cover for the phone. Enta?
Yes. Arabic.
60.
60?
Discount enta?
Discount anta?
50 rupees.
40 ఇచ్చండి ఇంకొక ఐటమ్ కూడా తీసుకుంటాం తీసుకుంటా ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ 40 టేక్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ ఆల్సో
What's this?
అది క్యారేజ్
Carrot.
ఇట్స్ టిఫిన్ బాక్స్
Nice.
లంచ్ బాక్స్
Food.
they can
Food.
keep the
Lunch.
food
Ah.
for kids
Lunch box. Again.
it will round
Ilaga.
Let's see. This one, guys. We have the family kids, so you're gonna see.
Light. 11:30 off.
okay and then press it
Okay.
You have to fight.
Nice that one. Become confused. Many nice things. I want to play. Beautiful. Wow.
okay guys bye
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Dani Wadalu? Correct. Thank you.
మీరు అనవే అన్నారు
Bye bye. Thank you so much. Nice to see you. Guys, I want to show you. Look at this. The door gate is so beautiful how it is. This is in India. Wherever you go, you will see like this. They will show you the entrance of the place. It's colorful. It's really nice. So I really like it. Like every place you will see like this. Yeah, you don't understand the language, you can communicate with the Baji language. Like you will say, from where? Like Acha. So you can understand. People are so friendly. Hello, how are you? Now we're going to try their breakfast. We're going to see how is it. It was too early. We came directly from the home. We didn't have any breakfast. Directly to this market, like 1 hour far. And then here we are. We'll check the location. We are going for breakfast. Finish. They're closing already. Finish. He removed these things. And they closed.
कैसे हैं आप
Assalamu alaikum. We just arrived to this place. This restaurant is nearby. We took the scooter and we left. There is a place here, but only for tea. And this is for breakfast. Hello.
Germany Defense Center.
They were going to try the puri. We're going to try. There is something very famous. He said, "What's that? Porticolo and poteklo."
It is the Karnal special.
National here, Kakinada. So guys, as you can see, this is the restaurant inside. We're gonna enter. This is the kitchen. They're cooking here. Hi! This is the food here, as you can see, nice. We will sit with the lady, I think. We have to sit here? Here? Hello! Try, this is a famous here dish, he's saying the guy in this place. So it's a national dish of Kakinada as well, I think. Look at this, how it looks like. It's in the leaf. They put here in South India, they put the leaf. They like too much doing things with the trees. Oh, there is something inside. Let's see, what is it? What's this?
Coriander chutney.
Curry and then chips. This is spicy, I think.
No.
Not spicy. Made of what, this one? Beef, I think.
Coconut and
Coconut.
coriander leaf.
Ah, it's made of coconut, guys, as well, this one.
You have to remove it inside.
You have to remove and...
With that leaf, all the leaves
We'll observe the essence.
Ah, done.
are very famous.
This leaves.
Jackfruit leaves.
Ah, this is the jackfruit leaves.
Like all the ingredients of the jackfruit leaves and will be injected.
Wow. I tried jackfruit. It's so delicious in India. True.
Jackfruit is good.
Yeah, delicious. Sweet. It is sweet. So this is sweet, it will be.
No.
Not...
The pudding is there.
Ah, okay, this is another plate. We got it. So this is honey place. What's the name of this?
Puri.
Puri.
That's
This
puri.
is puri.
This is
Ah, this is hot already. It's nice. And there is a sauce they give it.
curry.
Nice. Curry. Kora.
Kora.
Kakinada coffee. Hot. Wow. Nice. Refreshing. I woke up. Good morning.
This would be the medicine.
Medicine.
It's like Ayurvedic.
Yeah.
Why we are eating this banana leaves? If anybody mix your white one, it will become black.
Ah.
Nobody can adulterate it with white.
How are you doing? All good? All good. Tunisia.
Huh?
Arabic.
Arabic. మామూలుగా అక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఈ ప్లేస్ ఎవరి ఏరియాకి ఇవి తీసుకెళ్ళి చూపిస్తారా సీయింగ్
Adelo hali. Talago kuncho talagono.
Talago hai.
Nice to see you. And then Mawaro Talago. Mawaro Talago. Come eat. Want to eat? Should eat. Oh. Yeah, say no. No. I'll give you so amazing information today. So guys, you know the people here, Indians, why they eat in the banana leaf? So they eat in the banana leaf because previously in the kingdom time, before they are worried like if someone provide to the king poison. So what they will do, they will keep the food on the banana leaf. So if they will keep it, the color, if there is a poison, the color will be changing to black. If it's nothing, there is no poison, it will be fine. No difference of the colors. No difference in the colors. So that time, Indians, they are eating in the banana leaf and they didn't change that habit because other than that, they say it's really healthy and it takes the oil or something and it's like a healthy living. So that's why now we are doing healthy things in India. Guys, we're gonna try the puri. Bismillah. So, whoopa, you have to eat like this. Mix it with the potato, put it like this, and then. Nice. So nice. Wow. Perfect. I love it. Not spicy. It's little spices, but nice spices. And so look at this. Fluffy. And so nice. Like not too much oily. Like there is oil, but it's nice. Give it nice taste. But because this one is so healthy, there is carrot, potato, onion, leaves. Of course, everywhere it's leaves. Are so delicious. And now we're gonna try the most famous plate, the other one. And now, guys, we're gonna try the most famous one. It's made with a jackfruit leaf. We have to open it. It's like a secret. It feels like a Japanese food. Actually, Japan there is too much like this. They will tie the things. It's Asia, of course. They have always the same tradition culture. So guys, it's like something like a flour. It's inside. So we're gonna try it now with the sauce, of course, coconut, and another coconut, as they say, then mixed with the leaf. Healthy leaving. So let's try it. We're gonna try it like this. You have to eat by hand, and then mix it. Something different. Weird. What's this? Nice. Wow. I love it. Nice. Wow. I love it really, guys. This one is little spicy, but it's really so nice. There is different flavor. I love it. Look at this. You have to mix it. Highly recommend to try it. Really so different. Light. I don't feel heavy or anything. And healthy. Mixed with the sauce and eat. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.